Sliced chicken 1 kg. Corn flour half cup. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Oil 2 tablespoons. 1 egg. 1 chicken cube. Salt and white pepper to taste.
Zahra, what are you going to do next?
I'm going to start mixing the ingredients. Look, Pai, I'm going to put this chicken cube into the water. Can you please mix it for me?
Sure.
Now I'm going to add all the ingredients in the chicken.
Here you go, Zahra.
Thank you.
Careful with the oil. Oh my god, these are so many ingredients.
Yes, we are going to make orange sauce now. Let's make the orange sauce.
Okay, we are going to begin. Zahra, can you please tell us what are the ingredients?
Yes, of course. Processed chicken. Oil 2 tablespoons. Corn flour. Brown sugar 1/4 cup. White sugar 1/4 cup. Minced ginger half tablespoon. Minced garlic 1 tablespoon. Crushed red chili and white pepper to taste. Orange juice 1 cup. Vinegar 2 tablespoons. Soy sauce 2 tablespoons.